Indian Constituent Assembly on 26th of November 1949 and it came into effect on 26th of Jan 1950. It replaced the Indian government to act on 1935 as governing document of India. The annual Republic Day celebrated in New Delhi, the national capital of our nation, at Rajput, before the President of India, other important officials and public. On this day, 26th of Jan, the parades are celebrated and the parades are performed on Kartavya Path by the brave soldiers and they are awarded with some special awards like Mahavir Chakra, Paramvir Chakra, Ashok Chakra. Commencing from the gate of Rashtrapati Bhavan past India Gate, this event is an extravagant attraction of everything India deserves to be recognized and honored for India's defense capability, culture and social heritage. It begins with the unfurling flag, national flag of India with the President, followed by several regiments of Army, Navy and Air Force marching along with their bands. Every state of India joined the parade representing their culture. The parade lasts 3 days, showcasing India's defense capability, heritage and culture. The parade congress to be clear with the beating retreat ceremony. Republic Day is a kind of honoring to our brave soldiers and our prime ministers. Like on this day, we got independence. We have our own constitution. So like this, sometimes 5 to 18 years child do many things that are not capable of us, like us. So they are awarded by